Always pay attention.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
Are you going to need to have Doris come out and help you with that?
Actually, what I'm going to do is going to be smarter than that.
Well, then how can you do it?
Just watch this. I'm going to...
How can you do it when you have me recording every second, you said, so I can't help?
Don't worry. Just watch this. Put all this together. We're going to leave this on top for a minute. All right, everybody. We're going to take this into another room for a minute.
I'm going to follow you then.
Yep. And then here's what I'm going to do.
You're going to use the dining room table as a back support?
I'm going to lay it down. Put this up here. And then find my screws. Okay, sure got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll lay it down.
Do you need a flashlight?
Right there. All right. Now what I want to do is,
You've got that lined up with those 3, but not these 3 over here.
that's the point. There. Just need one hole lined up.
You're going to do 1 hole at a time?
What I'm going to do is,
And then you're going to do 1 down here.
you know what? I'm going to take a shortcut. Be right back in a second. Enough of these baby tools. If I'm doing this with some electricity. Alright. Alright, we've established the thing has got some good quality build materials. Okay? But David's getting sick and tired of doing hand tools.
And plus that's got a light on it. That'll help.
Yes, it does have a light. Alright.
You got 3 more down there.
Yes, I know. But what I'm doing here is I'm going to make it so that way the lid can stay while I do the...
Yeah, but you're going to have to move this lower one back and forth to get the other 3 lined up.
The thing's engineered so good, I'm thinking it'll be fine.
Alright.
Okay, so which way does this go? Okay, this goes with the barrel at the bottom.
I would do these other 3 down here
All right.
for leveling. Oh, I see what you're doing.
because the screws have all been pre-positioned. All right.
Yeah.
If this can hold it while it's open.
I'll tell you one thing, that's a lot faster and more comfortable for you, isn't it?
Yep. Now where's the hole at?
Can you see? Without being around this way facing it?
All right. 3 more.
There you go.
Yeah. You break out the drill, pretty much that means you're sick and tired of talking with the screws. Okay.
Well, it makes it easier. It's what you got all this heavy equipment for.
What the heck? Where's it at? Oh no. What?
Trying to find a position where I can.
I don't see the holes.
There isn't any.
Okay, so it's a little above the handle. So should be like somewhere around here. But if I don't put this in the right spot, the lid ain't gonna be able to shut. Oh, great. This has to be in the right spot. Otherwise the lid won't shut. Okay, so if that's the closed position, so then that means that's right about around there then. Okay. Holy cow.
It should be almost right up to it.
Should be like around here. Should be like somewhere around there. I don't see a hole.
They forgot to do the hole there.
Should be like right about there.
It shows it right on the edge.
Yeah,
on
but
the picture.
okay. It's not quite right on the edge. You see, it's actually down a little bit.
Okay.
See, kind of like how that's about how it's where it should be.
All right, David, you've done enough building in your day. You can figure it out.
Yep. Oops, sorry.
That's all right, sweetheart.
Should be like right about here.
Yeah, I knew you'd figure it out.
Just based off of how this hinge works and the instructions. Should be like right about here. That's my guess. I hope I'm right. So I'll start punching holes in this.
Well, you are right, because it can't be undone.
Yep. Okay.
Is that it? Or
We'll
is
have
it
to
two of
find
them?
out, because I have to test.
Is that all the parts?
Yep.
Okay.
Now we have to test it,
Yep.
and hopefully
David's famous build.
I got this right.
I know you did, honey. I have faith in you. Beautiful. Okay. Open and close. You did it. And it stays up. Perfect. It's beautiful.
Whoo! Thank goodness.
Yay!
Thank goodness I was right on my guess where to put that.
You did it. Yep.
All right.
Any final thoughts?
Hold on a second. I got something funnier. Well, let me get the first part of this joke.
Well, then hurry up, because still on the same battery. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There it is.
Hold on a second. Let me finish my joke here.
Okay. David's box.
Hey!
Let me back up.
Hey!
Yeah. You did it. Congratulations, David.
All right, as always, everybody, thank you for watching. And I don't know if this random man gag really was worth the effort. And boy, it took a long time for it too. All right. So, as always, everybody, thank you for watching. And I am relieved that I finished that second to last mission on SWAT 4. And as always, thank you for watching. I'm going to go now, torture myself with the last mission on SWAT 4 before I upload it on David Plays. As always, thank you for watching. Peace out, everybody!
Bye, everybody.